Welcome friends to question 17 of paper 2 2018 KCSE. The fifth and the 10th term of an arithmetic progression, this is an AP, and a sequence and series are that and that respectively. So let us see that. To find a term of a AP, it is A plus N minus 1D for the number of term. Therefore, if the fifth term, N is our fifth, it will be 5 minus 1, which is 4D plus A. This one gives us 18. And the 10th term, so 10 minus 1, 9. 9D plus A will give us negative 2. So we can now solve the simultaneous equation by just subtracting, because we have one side that are the same. So that is 0. Then 4 minus 9, there I'll get negative 5. D is equals to 18 minus 2, which is 20. So I divide by negative 5. Negative 5, that D becomes negative 4. Then I can take any of the one equations here. I can just take the first one, which is 4D is equals to 18. Then A plus 4 times negative 4 should give me 18. Then we say A plus, that is negative 16, is equals to 18. So negative and a positive creates up a negative. Therefore, A minus 16 is equals to 18. I bring this one across the other side so that A is equals to 18 plus 16, and A it is 34. Therefore, we're told find the common term and the first term. So you just say that the first term is equals to 34, and the common difference, it is negative 4, because it's the one represented by D. Then part B, you're told to determine the least number of terms which will be added together so that the sum of the progression is a negative. So first of all, let us find it if it's the last whole number. So the last whole number for the sum of an AP, it is n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So this formula is also found at the back of the logarithm. Therefore, let us substitute it first with 0 so that we can get the last number term that will give us a positive digit first before we go to the negative. So we'll say that 0 is equals to the number of term that we don't know over the first term we have, it is 34. Therefore, 34 times 2, it is 68, plus the number of term I still don't know, and the common difference, it is negative 4. So if I just open that, I'll have 0 is equals to n over 2 into 64. Then here gives me negative 4n, and a negative is a positive 4. If I collect the like terms inside, I'll be having 68 minus 4n is equals to 0. Quickly, you simplify that one. If I simplify this, you will get that I'm now going to have an equation in the form of 0 is equals to 34n minus 2n squared. So we can proceed with that and bring maybe this one on the other side so that we have 2n squared is equals to 34n. Then I can just factorize it together. 2 cancel on this side so that 2n squared is equals to 9. Therefore, if I also factorize n, I'll get that my value of n, remember here it is n, so if I remove n also on the other side, n is equals to 19. So that's the least number of term that will give me a whole number. So if I substitute it on my equation, the sum, it will be 19 over 2 into 2 times the 68 plus, so the least number of terms should be at least a number that is lower than that, because now n, we know it is greater than 18. So if we take the first value, which is 18 and negative 4, we'll have 19 over 2, and everything in the bracket, it is 64 minus 72, 68 minus 72 is negative 4, and therefore the answer should be negative 38 to be the sum of the progression, which is a negative. Thank you very much.